Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous Victoria sponge cake. I won a first prize for this at a local agricultural show and a few people have asked me to do a baking tutorial on it. I really hope you like it. To start, we're going to mix room temperature butter and sugar together until it's soft and fluffy, just like this. Add in the eggs, self-raising flour, baking powder, vanilla extract and some milk. I like to mix in the flour with a spatula before I use my hand mixer, and then I mix until the ingredients are fully combined. Split the mixture evenly between 3 8-inch line tins. Bake in a preheated oven for 25 minutes. When cooked, allow to cool for about 5 minutes before turning them out onto a wire rack cool further. To make the buttercream, mix room temperature butter for 5 minutes till it doubles in sizes and changes to a white colour. Add in a few tablespoons of icing sugar and mix it in. Keep adding the icing sugar till it's all mixed in. If the buttercream is stiff, add a little warm water, and I like to add vanilla extract as well. Mix one last time for about 3 to 4 minutes. When the sponges are fully cool, place one of the sponges on a plate and spread out a tablespoon or two of the buttercream on top. Pipe some buttercream all the way along the edge of the cake, and this tip I'm using is a closed 2D tip. Add some strawberry jam to the centre and spread it out, and now place the next sponge on top. Repeat the buttercream and jam like you did on the first layer for this layer, and then add another sponge. To decorate the top of the cake, I like to keep it simple. Just place the wire rack on top of the sponge and sieve over a generous amount of icing sugar so that you get a really nice pattern. I'm going to pipe some more buttercream along the edge of the cake all the way around and top it off with some whole and halved strawberries. If you happen to have some edible gold or silver glitter, spray some over the top of the cake and on top of the strawberries, and it just gives it a little bit of a wow factor. Alright, so that's the cake and it's all finished. How good does that look? Unfortunately, we won't be cutting this cake today as I'm donating it to my local care unit for their summer fundraiser. But believe me, this is a prize-winning, fabulous cake. Happy baking everyone! Enjoy!